Hey everyone, here we are as promised. A quick review of this Lume Pad case. The only case probably made for this unique tablet, the Lume Pad 3D tablet. So walk through the case. As you can see right, it's I don't know, this is a good match for the Lume Pad. This color is moon gray. There's another color called champagne. I don't know if that one would match the color or if it's going to be the same color right here. This is like, they call it their black case, but it's not really black. It's a grayish type of color. And here on the cover of the case is the Leia logo and then Lume Pad right here. And there's nothing clear. I don't know. The back here also has your Leia logo and Lume Pad. Here's the camera cutout. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's pop the tablet into the case. See how easily it snaps in. And that was pretty easy. Seems like a pretty snug fit. As you can see though, the sides are somewhat exposed on here. Walking through the whole case. The only place where it really holds the tablet is in the corners. And the corners here on the bottom, they have like these rubber grips, so that when you put the tablet on its stand, that we will demonstrate right now, even though I did not check the reviews or see how I use it, it's probably like this. As you can see, there's the one level, and then there's another level right there, probably 1, 2. So you go from, let's see, what's the best way to take this? This is almost like a 90-degree angle, almost, maybe 80, and that's pretty much it. And so it goes from like 80 to like a 70-degree angle is what I'm looking at. Yeah, the inside of the cover is real soft, velvety, almost satin type like material, and it's supposed to be designed the same way as the Tab S7's Fenty case, which it actually feels a lot like the Fenty case, except for as far as the inside goes, the outside part. Lume Pad case is a little softer on the outside, whereas the Fenty case is more leatherish, I guess, and it attracts fingerprints. This one doesn't seem like it's going to attract fingerprints. It's nice and soft, and same thing here in the back. So all your cutouts are exposed. As you can see, the speakers, the other speaker right here on, let's see, if we watching right here, this is the orientation. So yeah, the right speaker, left speaker, all exposed, including your, your USB-C port and your headphone jack, your microphone. I only see one microphone. That's weird. Okay, so yeah. And also your power and volume buttons up top. They're all exposed. And when you close it, it still seems pretty thin, even compared to the Fenty. Let me put my Note back into the case so we can compare them both. Okay, so we got our Tab S7. I kept saying Note for some reason, probably because I'm so used to that device because of the S Pen. That's why I'm calling it a Note. And it looks like a notebook with the with this case. But like I said, the Fenty case kind of attracts fingerprints, and I find myself wiping it down every now and then. This Lume case is just such a smoother, like texture, almost cotton like, or felt like texture. It doesn't seem like it's going to attract fingerprints. As you guys can see right here, the only opening on the sides on this Fenty case is for the fingerprint scanner. Otherwise, the volume rockers are covered up. The microphone right here on the bottom is exposed though. Here on the bottom, or what should we say this is, the left side, the speaker grill cutouts here on the left and right, and the USB-C port is properly aligned. Well, here they don't have to worry about lining up the speaker grills because it's just one big opening right there. As far as like their stand functions, they're pretty equal. This actually had the added versatility of being able to use it like a typing mode. I'll show you guys that in a bit. Here on the other side, you see you got the cutout for the other microphone and the speaker grills, while here the 3.5 headphone jack, the USB-C microphone, and the other grill, speaker grill, they're all exposed. So this Fenty case would offer more protection as far as that goes than the Lume case. But the Lume case, what I like is it matches up with the actual color of the Lume Pad, which is called Moon Gray, the version that I have. So the only difference is now is with the stand, you stand it the other way like this, and then they have the other way, which is the reverse, which is like this. I think it was something like this. Yeah, I already forgot it, but I think it was like this, so that you can type on the screen. But I don't really type on this screen of this Tab S7. I use the pen. So that is pretty much that with the comparisons. So that is our look at this Lume Pad case. So if you guys have a Lume Pad and you want to get the case for it, this is probably the only option you have. And it's pretty pricey at $39.99. Do I think it's worth it? Kind of, yeah. It's either this or you just don't have a case, or you could use those other case, but then you can't use the camera, or you won't be able to charge the tablet while it's inside the case. So since it's the only case, I mean, what choice do you have? So yeah, it's probably worth it, only because it'll protect your tablet from like scratches and possibly, cracking your screen if you accidentally drop the tablet. And it gives you way better, grip when you're carrying it around like this than you are carrying the tablet naked. And I don't mean naked because you're not wearing any clothes, but the tablet, without the case, naked, it's going to be more exposed. And if you have very dry hands or greasy hands, you will drop the tablet. It is kind of slippery. So that is it. If you guys have been informed and entertained, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout tips. Until next time, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day.